guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a Taiwanese peanut rice milk recipe right over here. I was really craving it after a trip, so I decided to make it right at home. It involves very minimal amounts of ingredients and it's super easy and delicious. It is a very popular Taiwanese breakfast drink. If you guys give it a try, please let me know how you like it, and let's get this tutorial started.
Here are the things you'll need: a blender, some white rice soaked in water overnight, some brown sugar and white sugar, sesame seeds, and lastly, peanuts. Super simple. Let's get started. The first step is to throw all the peanuts in the pan. Turn the heat to medium. Constantly stir it around so that they don't burn for about 10 to 15 minutes, and they should roast nicely. Repeat the exact same steps to the sesame seeds. This time it should take about 5 minutes. You'll start to smell the aroma, and that's when you know they're roasted. Now you are going to take the rice that's been sitting in the water overnight, drain it, and dump only the rice in the blender. Now you'll add the roasted peanuts, the brown sugar, white sugar, and the sesame seeds. Lastly, take some clean water, add that to the blender, and you're ready to go. Put the lid on and blend. Give it a little taste test and adjust to your liking. I ended up adding 1/4 cup of agave to make it nice and sweet. Once all the ingredients are blended smoothly, you can pour it into a cup and enjoy.